one picture. Just I want to close
नंबर
face
सेंड
the
किया
camera.
Oh, no.
वो तो भी
You my friend, very sweet. Mahika, yes. Mahika should be here.
You guys look gorgeous, completely. Okay, okay? Okay. Got it.
Thank you.
Mahika?
इधर से आ जाओ ना।
Let me this side, this side.
No, I'm going. Sana, come on picture.
सोलो सोलो सोलो
उनका सोलो ले लो।
है ना ये स्ट्रेट किया यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट है ना यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट किया यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट तो मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने इस ब्यूटीफुल कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में?
ऑफकोर्स यही कहना चाहूँगी कि बहुत सुंदर है और सबसे ज़्यादा सुंदर बात ये है इस कपड़े की कि आज हम इसे एक बहुत अच्छे कॉज के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं विच इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई थिंक एवरीबडी सपोर्ट्स दैट्स कैंसर एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं इस चीज़ का एक हिस्सा बहुत छोटा सा हिस्सा बन पाई हूँ और अगर इससे अगर इतना सा भी किसी के लिए अच्छा हो जाएगा तो आई थिंक मुझसे ज़्यादा खुश कोई नहीं होगा एंड आई रियली होप कि ऐसे कॉजेज़ और आए और बहुत लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए सपोर्ट करने बाहर निकले इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैंसर या यू नो फार्मर है या चाइल्ड लेबर है और जब ऐसा कोई सोशल कॉज होता है मैं खुद कहती हूँ कि मुझे करना है बिकॉज आई थिंक कभी कभी हमें उतनी ताकत नहीं है कि हम बहुत कुछ कर सके तो आई थिंक अगर एक छोटा शुरुआत भी हो जाए तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा है
थैंक यू
एक्चुअली ये ब्लैक एंड रेड कॉम्बिनेशन है इट्स फॉर द कलर इज़ फॉर द एड फॉर कैंसर एंड ये वाइट और रेड और ब्लैक यही कलर्स है सब ने ऐसे ही कुछ पहना है और ये मुझे खास तौर पर पसंद बिकॉज इट इज़ वाइट एंड रेड जो कि बिकॉज मैं बंगाली हूँ तो हमारा तो नेशनल कलर है रेड एंड वाइट रेड बॉर्डर की साड़ी पहनना तो मैंने जब भी ये देखा था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था इट सो सिम्बलाइजेस मी माई सेल्फ माई ओन पर्सनैलिटी एंड that's I think that's why I'm wearing it.
How it feel to be a part of today supporting cancer?
Absolutely, I think it's the most noble cause because cancer एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो कि भयंकर तरीके से फैल गया है. Even my nanny is detected of cancer recently last year और इसमें इतना खर्चा है. ऐसा नहीं कि कैंसर का क्योर नहीं है. कैंसर मुझे इससे पहले पता नहीं था, इतना आइडिया नहीं था. मैं अभी बता सकती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरे फैमिली में ये डिज़ीज़ आया है तो इसका क्योर है बट द क्योर इज़ एक्सट्रीमली एक्सपेंसिव. एक कैंसर का टेस्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. 10,000 का तो मतलब छोटा एक टेस्ट 10,000 ऐसे मतलब इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. तो लोग अगर चाहे भी अगर बोले कि हाँ कैंसर का तो इलाज आ गया लेकिन वो इलाज इतना एक्सपेंसिव है. आई थिंक फॉर टुडे आई एम सो प्राउड दैट आई एम डूइंग इट बिकॉज ऐसे बहुत पेशेंट्स हैं जो शायद ठीक हो सकते हैं लेकिन उनके पास पैसे नहीं है ठीक होने के लिए So if this event could raise so much of money for those patients, I would really go ahead and do it, and I'm loving to do it today. Thank you.
Just in this costume. Can you tell me something about it? How is it?
This is Mahika Mirpuri's creation, and of course she's beautiful and she makes beautiful outfits. But most importantly is the Terry Fox Cancer Charity Association, and I've been a part of it for the last 3 years. So it continues, and I just feel very happy that I'm, my small little contribution to such a big cause. And Mahika and Terry Fox and the outfit and lovely friends. It's a great morning. It's a great way to spend Sunday morning.
So you want to walk around or
I'm walking.
have you walked earlier? Any experience? Would you like
Yes,
to share?
Terry Fox. I've walked in the last 3 years, and I walk for all my friends. And especially when nowadays, I love the way they collaborate fashion and everything, and then make it to like something that we all can participate in for a bigger cause. And when I feel that I'm a part of a bigger cause, it makes me more happy than to just wear something beautiful and walk the ramp, which is also nice, but this has a bigger reason, bigger purpose, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you. Ready? दादा आप थोड़ा
Hussein?
So ma'am, I would like to speak to you about this. Really, you are looking really gorgeous and like angel.
थैंक यू
I would like to speak about this.
मैंने कहा आप ही ने इतनी तारीफ कर दी तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ये मुझे. आई थिंक ऑल द क्लोथ्स आर वेरी वेरी एंजेलिक एंड वेरी रॉयल एंड वेरी रीगल. तो और समर कलेक्शन है जो कलर्स बहुत पेस्टल्स हैं, फिर उसके अंदर ये टाई एंड डाई दुपट्टाज हैं जो एक ब्राइट कलर ऐड करते हैं. सो इट्स अ फैब कलेक्शन. आई लव द कलेक्शन एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो वेरेबल. कोई भी आप कहीं पर भी पहन के जा सकते हैं.
There is also everyone supporting the cancer patient. So how it feels to be a part of today event?
I think it's a great honor to be able to change even one life. If you can do that, if you can put a smile on somebody's face, I think that's a great achievement in life. So I get high out of it a lot, and today Mahika has brought all of us to be a part of such a big cause which will help not just one but many lives. And hats off to her, and I want to say thank you to her for making me and all of us a part of this beautiful cause today.
Thank you.
मार लात मार रही है. Yeah, straight.
I think Mahika's entire dress range this time is very fiery, bright, ideal for summer. It's light in weight and it's got just the most astounding colors. As you can see,
Today everyone is supporting a cancer patient. So,
Yes.
How you feel so great to be a part of today event?
well, I've always been there for Mahika in all her shows earlier also. Personally, I myself am involved in the CPAA, which is the Cancer Patients Awareness Association. And I think this is one disease that has become almost so prevalent now that people have to be aware of it. I'm so happy that Mahika is taking this forward and garnering support for this organization. Thank you.
7 showstoppers today, and each one has really put in their best efforts, and it's a beautiful cause, and we've all worked together towards it. Very happy. God's been kind, and my friends have been angels. Very, very happy with the success of it.
Share this work because how do you feel?
Well, cancer, yes. When she spoke to me, she said she was doing something for, and well, hats off to her, because a lot of people say talk, but very few people actually go ahead and do something. I don't really know what inspired her, but I just have a lot of respect for her that she actually gets up and does this and puts on so much hard work. I think it's fantastic.
Passionate cause is combined here, Mahika. Can you please explain her attire? I mean, it was beautiful.
Basically, keeping her frame and personality in mind, I've designed this outfit for her. The whole collection has Terry Fox logos. We've done lots of black, red, it's cancer. So I've kept all those aesthetics in mind. It's a summer collection, so no jewelry, very minimalistic, lots of prints, tie and dye, the off-shoulder trend, crop top, and keeping everybody's personality. I didn't want to take over their charm, and therefore I designed clothes keeping their frame, their body type, and their comfort level. And I'm very happy, and they look like a dream. So I'm very happy.
मैं पहली बार महिका के लिए वॉक कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक द क्लोथ्स आर गॉर्जियस, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा गॉर्जियस है जो कॉज है फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स. आई थिंक इट्स रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत ही प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ, अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ that I'm associated and a part of it.
Can you explain a bit of what you're wearing?
Well, this is the summer collection, so there is a lot of white. There is black and white, if you can see. It's a very summery print and बहुत ही gorgeous outfit है. Simple भी है, dressy भी है. It doesn't need a lot of accessories. It's just perfect for any event.
Ma'am, actually, as an actor,
Sorry, हाँ.
as an actor, काफी busy schedule रहा आपका.
जी.
How you manage to get a time and
Well, sometimes I think it's the cause. जो cause था इतना खूबसूरत था that I thought कि it'll be nice to remove time. तो मैंने shooting वालों को बोला that instead of 9 in the morning, I'll join them at 3 in the afternoon. तो अभी बस मैं shooting पे जाऊँ.
thank you.